How to fix Instagram Reels and Remix options not showing. So if you want to fix your Reels or Remix option not showing on your Instagram, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection and make sure that you have the latest application or the latest update. So you need to go with your Play Store at first. Go with search. Under search for Instagram, and if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix, then tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with your app info, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and then go with the notification section. And under notifications also, if you've not allowed notifications, then you can go with notifications and go with permissions. Under permissions, if you've not allowed any permissions, then you need to go and allow all of these permissions. After allowing the permissions, you need to go and restart your mobile device. Tap and hold on to your power button and then restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.